really special being honoured with this award because it's our 30th year, and you know, we've a new album, Seinnteoir, and Ireland is our favourite place in the world to come and play. You know, we're essentially based in the UK, 3 members there, so it was always a really big deal for me coming home and playing in Ireland because I was born here, and it has a charge like nowhere else on earth.
Ceol nua agus seamsir a Gradam Ceoil atá Flook. Tá fuinneamh éadach agus Flook nuair a chluiseam an bana ar gig bio agus sesiún tradiisiúnta. Well, they're new music and old music at the same time. But then you have, on all 3 instruments, you have just superb performances. I know Brian since he was a wee fella. I taught him at summer schools over the years. Really exciting musician. And maybe the most remarkable thing about Flook is that the music can appeal to young and old and to modern audiences and to rock music audiences. It's quite amazing.
You couldn't really label it as being Irish trad or English folk music. It's a lot of original compositions. It's kind of reflections on life, but bedded in the turf of Ireland.
We've had so many plans have been focused on this 30th year that it's hard to see beyond the 30th year. It's fair to say we've never really had a plan. We've just kept going because we've loved doing it. We are hugely honoured to win this award. We're slightly flabbergasted that we've won it. I don't know what to say really. It's totally amazing.
To be recognised by TG4, to have this award from them, and with all of these great musicians as our peers around us, it's a moment that we'll cherish.
Flook, just go hínta go fá trocha bliain agus Gradam Ceoil is even number good ceol, it's even on the fuin nua agus an rihim agus chairdis. Flook aboo!
Thank you so much to TG4 for the Gradam Ceoil award. It's a great honour and I'm very much looking forward to a great night in Limerick.
We've had an amazing 30 years, touring all over the world, making the records. It's been a real pleasure to share the stage with all 3 years, and I look forward to many more. Cheers.